Here's how to link your account in Among Us. So this guide works whether you're using your iPhone or your Android device. So first, you need to update the Among Us using your Play Store or App Store and install the game and click on play. And once you launch it, you'll see options like play, shop, news, friends, inventory, and all. And to link your account, you need to click on My Account option that is in the left-hand side of the screen between News and Settings. Go ahead and select it. Now you'll get two different options of account and stats. Select Account. Now select Manage Account. Now go ahead and visit the link that is indicating. Here you'll get different options to link your account to Steam, Epic Games, Google Play, Apple, Xbox Live, and itch.io. Choose your preferred platform and follow the linking process. And once you're done, your account will be successfully linked. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.